My name is Chang Sin.
My full name is Muhammad Al-Fahim Morasan.
So my end goal is probably to be able to self-finance my own projects and pursue a career in which I can build my own projects and applications and games of my own interest.
For me, I joined it because it seemed like you guys really cared about teaching all the students that joined, and I cared about teaching them, developing skills, not just getting a job.
I joined Sigmaschool as a student because I was hitting a roadblock in which I wasn't getting hired in my with my portfolio, my game development portfolio.
If I have to thank someone, it would be Adam. He is actually an amazing instructor. He made the lessons pretty fun. He also explained very well.
I think that your environment plays a bigger role than you expect in molding how your journey, your path, your story goes. This is both sort of like a reality check as well as a means of encouragement.
Not gonna lie, the first week was very overwhelming, and he made the lessons a bit lighthearted. It could be very overwhelming to some students like me, and sometimes I do get overwhelmed, but he tends to direct in a way where the lessons seem not so overwhelming.